Hello everyone, welcome to LFI Educates Accountancy class of class 12 Commerce. Since in the last class we have discussed about the company accounts, the issue and subscribe and forfeiture and reissue of a company. So today we are going to do a new chapter of company, that is issue and debenture. Okay, issue of debenture and redemption of debenture. So see, in last chapter, that is also company, this is also company. Okay, so in last chapter, company accounts, what we have learned? We have learned that how company issue the share, and the public, the shareholder purchase the share. Okay, they are depositing the amount to the company's account, and company will issue the share in installment. And after that, we have learned forfeiture, reissue of share. Okay, now today we are going to learn issue and redemption of debenture. Now, so what debenture is what? See, we know that if we are taking a loan, that is called loan. We are borrowing a loan. And if company is taking a loan, that is called, by company using their name and their seal, okay, they are taking a loan. And that loan is called borrowed, okay. And the company going to take a loan from the public, that is called debenture. Okay, that is called debenture. Debenture means borrowed loan. Okay, so why company is taking a loan? See, in company, when company authorized his capital, the company can issue this much share only. If company need more amount to do the business, so company will go to the second stage. Okay, that is debenture. They will ask to the public, please issue debenture. Debenture and issue of share is same. How we are issuing the share to the public, debenture also issuing to the public in the same method. Here also you have to do the journal entries. And redemption part I have discussed later. Okay. So see, here is given distinguish between share and debenture. What is the distinguish between? See, what are the distinguish between share and debenture? So the distinguishes share and debenture. So see, ownership. A share represents ownership of the company. Okay, when a public will purchase share, when the company is issued share to the public and public purchase the share, and that the shareholder will become the owner, some part of the owner of the company. That is why in the ownership, okay, companies represented ownership. A share represented ownership of the company, whereas debenture is only acknowledgement of debt. That is what is called debt. Debt means loan. So debenture will give a acknowledgement that you are giving a debt to the company. Okay. A share is a part of owned capital. Okay. If I buy a share, this is our capital. Whereas debenture is a part of borrowed capital. Okay. So if I company, if I issue share, so that is owned capital, that is the share capital. Okay. Share means what? Share means the shareholder capital. And if you are borrow amount, okay, that is called borrowed capital. It is called debenture. Okay. So this is the distinguish of some share and debenture. So today I am going to discuss solution first. Before that, we will learn the format of debenture. See, issue of debenture for cash. Okay, issue of debenture for cash. So that is same formula. Debenture are said to be issued at par, whereas issue price is equal to the face value. Okay, it can issued at all at 100%. For that we have to do a journal record of such issue as follows. Okay. So when the whole amount will be issued at par at a time when it will take it. Well, at a time we have to give only one entry, and when it will be in installment, at the time we will give the installment entry like we have did in share. The installment one, first of all, as per the rule, as per the criteria, each application to be filled up, the company will allocate, the company will make the call. Same the process what we have did in company. Okay. So I'll give the format. Issue of debenture of cash. We can write the format here. Issue of debenture for cash. Okay. Issue debenture for cash. Number A journal entries. So we'll do the journal entries format. Okay, we'll see the journal entries, how to prepare the journal entries, how to record in the books of the company for debenture. Okay. Number A, if whole amount is received in one installment, if whole amount is received in one installment. Okay, if whole amount is received in one installment, so what will be the journal entries? Suppose the company needs 10 lakh rupees and company will not issue that in installment. The company the whole amount in one installment. That is called that part. Okay. So the journal entries will be like this. For the receipt, on receipt quantity, okay, on receipt entry. RECEIPT. On receipt entry, what will the entry first? The entry will be same as bank account debit. What we have did in company. Okay. Bank account debit to will not write share because we are doing debenture. Now we write here instead of share we will write here debenture application and allotment account. Application and allotment account. Okay. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. The narration will be same as before, being the share application allotment money is received. Same as before. Okay. Now for transferring entry. Okay. That is the allotment when debenture is allotted. So the entry will be debenture risk allotment. Okay, allotment entry. Only write that is you can write transfer entry also. Debenture application and allotment account debit. Allotment account debit to debenture account. Debenture allotment and application allotment account debit to debenture account as being okay. Now number B. If it is in installment, suppose it is in two installment, that is application allotment or first call. Okay. So if it is installment, so how will give? Suppose number B. If debenture amount is received in installment. If the debenture amount is received in installment, what will be the entry? Okay. So same as for application receipt entry, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Same way, bank account debit, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Okay, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. That is the receipt in installment. So second entry will be same. Write a being here. Dash dash dash. Okay. Next slide. Debenture application and allotment account debit okay to debenture account. Okay, transfer into company's debenture account. That is the, if it is one, we'll give only one entry. Okay, if it is installment, so this is the number one installment, one entry. Okay, this is the second entry for transferring entry. Narration will be same. Now I'll give the entry for the first call. That is for the second installment. Okay, that is additional entry you have to give for the second entry. Okay, how will give? There is an additional entry if it is an installment. So it is number one installment. So first installment is finished. Now second installment is debenture. First call account debit. Right here, debenture. Okay. First call account debit. First call account debit. Sorry, debenture first call account debit to debenture account. Now it will be due. Okay, being the company due first, because your debenture time is due, this be the debenture. This asking the loan to debenture account. Same as company, what we have did, like that only, to debenture account. Same narration being the debenture first call money is due, being the debenture first call money is due. That is the first entry. Okay. Now receive entry, same. Receive it is the first entry. Okay. That is the first entry. Now give the second entry. That is the receive entry. Right. A bank account debit. Bank account debit to debenture debenture first call account. This is a receive entry. Okay, to debenture first call account. This is a receive entry. Being the debenture first call money is received. That is called the format of debenture while issuing the debenture. Okay, debenture means what? Debt. When company asks a debt, it is similar as share, but it is different. Because we share that is issued of prospectus or issued of prospectus for the loan amount, for the long-term borrowing amount. Okay, so here we learn how to do issue and redemption of debenture also. In the next question, I will try to solve. In the next class, I am trying to solve some questions from the book of NCERT. So just go through this format. Is very important for you and it will be helpful for you. Okay. Just go through. So thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.